50,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स हो गए. नाउ ऑन टू 75. मैं रुकने वाली तो हूं नहीं, तो जो लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन है उस पर क्लिक करें एंड दैट बेल आइकन नेक्स्ट टू इट. जैसे ही नया रिव्यू आएगा सबसे पहली नोटिफिकेशन विल कम टू यू ओनली यार. फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन माय प्रोफेशनल करियर आई वांटेड टू वॉक आउट ऑफ द मूवी थिएटर आफ्टर वॉचिंग द फिल्म एंड गिव वन ऑफ दोस ऑडियंस रिएक्शन इंटरव्यूज. होली शिट यार, मी साइडवेज. Hey, my name is Sucharita. Welcome back to my channel. You're watching a movie review and please, आज सब्सक्राइब करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि today we're talking about Liger.
I'm a fighter.
If you're a fighter, what am I?
Which is the worst thing that's happened to me this whole year. Thankfully, this video is brought to you by Resha Weaves, who bring responsibly sourced natural fabrics, stunning and sustainable, like this kalamkari printed cotton silk chanderi I'm wearing today. More about the sari and where you can buy it at the end of the video. Now, meet MMA aspirant, a man unironically named Liger by his parents, who claim to love him, like in the fact that they named him Liger should have been his first hint that they truly don't. The man has a speech impediment, stutter करता है वो, तो unfortunately already उसका दुनिया मजाक बनाती आई है जिंदगी भर, फिर ऊपर से नाम रख दिया लाइगर. लाइगर and his single mother moved to Mumbai एक दिन, who the fuck knows why, लेकिन आकर चाय टपरी वो खोलते हैं. अगले दिन एक डोजो में पहुंचकर मास्टर को कहते हैं कि MMA सिखाओ तुम्हें इसके डेड बाप की कसम. ट्रेनिंग, लव, धोखा, फाइट्स एंड लाइगर मूव्स टुवर्ड्स अपनी जिंदगी का एंड गोल, MMA ग्लोबल चैंपियनशिप. बस, that's all you need to know. Now let's really get into it. Now if you thought Ahmed Khan and Tiger make the most nonsense Hindi movies, presenting Puri Jagannath and Liger. स्क्रीनप्ले स्क्रिप्ट में जो चल रहा है उसको समझने से पहले मैं 4-dimensional space time theory को सॉल्व कर सकती हूँ. So let's not even mess with that. Let us straight up get started with how Ananya Pandey as Tanya is portrayed, treated, and for all intents and purposes sacrificed for the legend of Vijay Deverakonda as Liger. The opening credits are mad cool, stylized. I was very into them. The fact that the lead female actor's name appeared after Mike Tyson, who has a grand total of one half-ass scene in the film, should have tipped me off. Right on cue in the first sequence, Liger is running like a wounded beast in the streets of a large city as a pointless, fourth wall breaking voiceover aimed at nobody in particular explains what's going on. And then he calls Tanya a khoobsurat khilona. Lady, meet object. You are now the object. A khilona, a toy to be played with and protected. Never mind that as she's being described as a plaything, the poor girl is being kidnapped in a fast-moving car. Literally being kidnapped. In the flashback then, we find out more about this khoobsurat khilona. She's a social media influencer, clearly written by someone who A, doesn't understand how social media works, and B, hates women. She's ditzy and stupid and says things like कुछ नए ideas सोचो जैसे hashtag, captions, bio. नए ideas? Here's what I think this writing meeting went like. हाँ वो influencer वाला scene लिखना है. क्या होता क्या Instagram पर? मेरे तो 12 followers हैं. I don't know any of this bullshit. Google करो search Instagram keywords, hashtag, captions, bio, and end scene. Ananya Pandey IRL at this point has 23.4 million Instagram followers. Did she not offer, or Puri Jagannath did not take a single note from her on how Instagram is done? Why the actor has done this to herself, I wonder. Well, not just her. All women in this universe are either hyper stupid or just hyper. My heart bleeds for the amazing Ramya Krishnan, who is made to play Rajmata Shivagami light, queen on a budget. या तो वो पूरा दिन अपने बेटे को ब्रेन वॉश करती रहती है, या she yells things like उठना साले, उठना साले, both to his face and to the TV set when he's fighting. I'm trying really hard not to stoop down to the aforementioned exit interviews outside movie theaters, but for real, Vahyat doesn't begin to cut it.
We are Indians.
Deverakonda is ripped like an animal. He's trained internationally, the whole 9 yards, which I assume is the bare minimum if you're getting paid the big bucks to play an MMA fighter. Why he's being given a stutter, I don't think anyone on this film knows, because all that character trait is used for is to punch down on people with speech impediments. You know, I watch promotional interviews after I've seen the movie. I don't want to color my judgment, and it's astounding to me how much this cast genuinely believes they made a good film. Or they're actually wonderful actors, successfully fooling us about their convictions during promotions. In a time when big budget Hindi films are not doing so well, I walk into every screening with my heart in my hand, offering it up willingly. Take it, make it your own. I will cheer for you for this industry. But when in return you give me dialogue like तू gift देगा तो return gift दूंगा, तू kiss देगा तो lip kiss दूंगा, मेरी समझ के बाहर ये है कि इतनी बेइज्जती अपनी ही ऑडियंस की क्यों करी जा रही है. क्रॉस ब्रीड है मेरा बेटा. Aren't the rumblings of a person who's not quite all there, but it's a matter of pride describing the protagonist like human beings are some species to be experimented on. Just a little FYI here, due to their unnatural parentage, most Ligers are sterile. Someone should tell this to the bro dudes at Liger's dojo, one of whom is insistent on him chadhawing his tire onto a girl or some other crude unmentionable metaphor like that. Bicycle चढ़ा दे, कुछ तो ऐसा कहता है.
क्रॉस ब्रीड है मेरा बेटा.
Now, a word to you, 52,000 of you watching. The same way filmmakers and actors say they don't read critics and they don't care about reviews, that's fine. पर उसी तरह ये review movie makers, producers, actors के लिए नहीं है. Through this channel मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ. You demand better, expect better, and let it be known that celebrity culture alone cannot sustain the film industry. अगर हम punch down करते रहेंगे on women, disabled people, marginalized communities, cultivation theory suggests कि people consuming these believe and emulate. Reject the notion कि it's just a movie. No, it is written word made more powerful with the help of moving images and sound and has a profound impact on psyche, social structures and eventually culture, especially when it's presented on such a big scale in multiple languages thrust down our throats as the epitome of entertainment. अगर साल की सबसे बड़ी मूवीज में से एक बार ये कहेगी that young attractive women are churels, the root of all evil, and nothing good ever happens until the love interest is removed from a sportsman's life, तो यहाँ एक YouTube चैनल के एक रिव्यू से फर्क तो कुछ पड़ने वाला है नहीं. विराट कोहली के मैच में अनुष्का शर्मा ट्रोल होती रहेंगी. Do not leave your brains at home, friends. Take all your agencies with you and decipher things for yourself. I will die on this hill. Liger's mother says to him in one supposedly encouraging monologue, कामयाबी मिल जाए तो टिंगू भी लंबा और काला भी गोरा दिखने लगता है. To be short-heighted or dark-skinned are still unacceptable things in this timeline, traits which must be masked, hidden, defeated by success. Is this 1990s Bollywood or is this hell? Am I dead? I'm just tired and just slowly disintegrating. So on a scale of 1 to 10, Liger is 15 days to go for a Brahmastra. Too many hopes pinned on Ayan Mukherjee right now. No pressure! Okay, on to happy things. Let me tell you more about this lightweight kalamkari with its leafy motifs. Resha Weaves bring to you some of the most exquisite sarees from different parts of India, sub-natural fabrics at affordable prices. We got sarees for daily wear, office, or for this festive season, gifts ke liye sab kuch on weaves.reshamandi.com. Chanderi silk, cotton, dharmavaram, options hi options. Just your kind of stunning sarees at the best dam. And subscribe to my channel because I'm helpful, okay? I need to get to that 75. Today we're also talking about Delhi Crime Season 2. Yay! My name is Sucharita. Thank you for stopping by.